Indian Navy warships have arrived in Myanmar with over 50 tons of aid. For the first time in recent years, the Ministry of Defence has successfully utilized its entire capital budget with zero surrender of funds. A former Pakistani senator has urged Houthi rebels to expand their missile and drone attacks beyond Israel to include India. The Ministry of External Affairs has strongly rejected a report published by the New York Times that claimed that Hindustan Aeronautics has rerouted 13 shipments of sensitive technology to Russia with payments totaling over $14 million. The U.S. Department of Energy has given the final approval allowing Holtec International to construct nuclear reactors in India and transfer small modular reactor technology to Tata and L&T. U.S. Navy's Arleigh Burke-class destroyer have arrived in India for the Tiger Triumph 2025 amphibious exercise from today. Indian Air Force contingent has arrived in Greece to participate in a multinational exercise hosted by the Greek Navy. A 6-member delegation from the Russian Army visited College of Military Engineering, Pune, and they shared their combat experiences. Solar Industries has successfully completed an order for 480 Nagastra-1 drones for the Indian Army. The DRDO will showcase its Tejas MK2 weapon networks at LAD 2025 Defense Exhibition in Brazil. Under the recently signed 156 Prachand deal, Hindustan Aeronautics has said that it will deliver the first batch of 5 Prachand light combat helicopters in mid-2028. Mahindra Automotive has signed a 2,700 crore rupees contract with the Indian Armed Forces to supply 1,986 Scorpio pickup vehicles. A senior naval official has said that the Indian Navy might bypass the procurement of a full-fledged 5th-generation fighter jet and will prioritize the TED-BF 5th-gen- platform, while setting its sights on a 6th-generation successor by 2047. United States and China are already advancing towards 6th-generation technologies that will feature artificial intelligence-directed energy weapons and manned-unmanned teaming, and a 5th-generation aircraft inducted in 2040s might quickly become outdated. A hacking group called Burke-class 2.0 has claimed that it has infiltrated the DRDO's systems, and that the breach compromised 20 terabytes of sensitive military data, including a secret document related to a strategic defense project. However, sources in both government and the private sector have asserted that this is a much exaggerated claim, as the breach was at an individual level, and files and documents seem to have been hacked from an internet-linked computer belonging to a former Joint Secretary of the Department of Defense Production, and the files seem to be at least 4 years old. The hacking group initially demanded a ransom of $25,000, but quickly dropped the price to $5,000, which is an unusual move for ransomware operators dealing with high-value intelligence. The chairman of Solar Industries has revealed that after France, Spain is the latest country engaged in discussions for the potential supply of Pinaka multi-barrel rocket launchers. He confirmed that talks with Spanish authorities are underway, and that Pinaka's lower life cycle costs and indigenous production has appealed to Spain's defense planners, and the Pinaka will complement Spain's ongoing SLM rocket launcher program. The Indian Army is turning to the private sector to integrate an autonomous anti-drone system into the existing remotely operated 12.7mm anti-aircraft gun of the T-90 main battle tanks, which is currently operated manually by the tank commander. This ambitious upgrade seeks to counter the rising threat of low-speed aerial targets by leveraging advanced technology to achieve 360-degree autonomous detection, recognition and identification of targets, alongside the development of specialized fragmentation rounds. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.